Hello everyone, my name is Shashank, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. We are presenting solution for JEE Ans 2019, Paper 1. For this video, a question from probability is taken from the paper. Let's have a look at the problem. It says there are 3 bags B1, B2, B3 and there are certain number of balls in these bags. Bag 1 contains 5 red, 5 green balls. Bag 2 contains 3 red, 5 green. B3 whereas contains 5 red, 3 green balls. Right? The bags B1, B2, B3 have probabilities 3 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10 respectively of being chosen. Means, okay, so we would choose any one bag at a time. So these the events of choosing bags B1, B2, B3 are mutually exclusive and exhaustive also. So obviously the sum of their probabilities must be 1. Here same is the case. 3 by 10 plus 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10 is 1. Okay, let's see what it says for a bag is selected at random and a ball is chosen at random from the chosen bag. Then which of the following options are correct? More than maybe one option can be correct. More than one option may be correct. So looking at the option, they ask about usual things. You do these kind of problems very frequently in the chapter probability, so it's not a tough task to track the correct option. So probably that the chosen ball is green given that selected bag is B3. Okay, so it is nothing but checking the bag B3 only. So we need not to check B1 or B2 here. Equals 3 by 8. We'll see whether, is it 3 by 8 or not. Option B probably that the chosen ball is green equals 39 by 80. Okay, so green ball can come from bag 1, bag 2 or bag 3. So we'll have to go through total probability theorem here in this case. And option C probably that the selected bag is B3 given that the chosen ball is green. So final ball color of the final ball is known to us. So we'll have to go back finding the probability of some past event on the basis of final result known to us. So this is according to reverse conditional probability based theorem we will apply to get this probability. In option D, the same thing is asked. Probability that selected bag is B3 given that chosen ball is green equals 3 by 10. If you make a simple tree diagram, right? So let's see how can we find it easily. Right. So I am seeing the entire story. I would like to make a tree diagram which will show each and every events and sub-events and with their probabilities. So bag selected can either be B1 or B2 or B3, isn't it? And in every option green ball was under consideration. So let us take capital G as the event. I am naming the events B1, B2, B3 and G here. G represents the event that the green ball is taken from the bag. Okay, so bag B1 to be chosen probability is 3 by 10, bag B2 again 3 by 10 and bag B3 it was 4 by 10. It is given in the problem. And from the bag B1, if bag B1 was chosen, what is the probability that the chosen ball is green? So in this case we'll see there were 5 green out of total 10 balls in the bag B1, 5 red, 5 green. So it must be 5 by 10, right? For a green ball to be taken from bag 2, number of green balls in the bag 2 is 5. Total number of balls is 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So it must be 5 by 8. And from B3, 3 green balls were there, 3 by 8. So we can find every part of this question, options, easily using this tree diagram. So coming to the option A, probably that the chosen ball is green given that the selected bag is B3 equals 3 by 8. So it is nothing but here in this case representing what? Bag 3 was chosen is given to us. This is given to us. So taking green from bag 3, what is the probability? 3 by 8 is correct. So it is simply asking the probability of taking green ball if it is given that bag 3 is chosen. So it is representing nothing but the number of green balls in the bag 3 upon total number of balls in the bag 3. So it is 3 by 8. So option A must be true. Right. Coming to option B, probably that the chosen ball is green. So we need to find, so green can come from bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. So probability of green, this was option A is correct. Now coming to option B I am writing, see probability of green ball. So green can come from B1, so might be B1 was taken and green was selected given that B1 was taken. Similarly B2, P of G upon G given B2 plus B3. So it is due to the total probability theorem. We will also we can say this is nothing but total probability theorem. So we will find here these respective probabilities. So it can easily be tracked from this tree diagram. PB1 is 3 by 10, PG by B1 is 5 by 10, PB2 is 3 by 10. So the second path, middle path, okay, into 5 by 8 plus 4 by 10 into 3 by 8. You will see that when you calculate it, so finally you will get it as 880, 120 plus 270, that is 390 upon 800, that is 39 upon 80. So I think option B, 39 upon 80 was given. So option B is also correct, isn't it? Option C or D, for option C or D, we need to find probability of B3 given G, isn't it? So it is reverse conditional probability, B3 given G. Option C or D, for that we need to find probability of B3 some earlier past event given the final result. So we need to use the formula of reverse conditional probability Bayes theorem, or you can do it in the using common sense that B3 bag 3 was taken and green was selected from it, green B3, and we need to write all the 3 possibilities of taking green balls. So we can write directly PG here. Now PB3 was, I think, just see, PB3 was 4 by 10, and when B3 was taken, right, okay, the probability of taking green from B3 is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 you can write here. Okay, 4 by 10, 3 by 8, and finally PG was 39 by 80. So this is 39 by 80. One thing here, it should not be 4 by 8, it was 4 by 10. So we can easily see the answer to this probability. The probability of B3 given green must be 12 upon 39, that is 4 upon 13, I think. So we'll see 4 upon 13 is given in any of the option is not. So none of the option C or D is saying it is 4 by 13. So in this manner, C or D is not correct. So final answer to this question are A and B. I hope you understood this solution, easily described, and you may go through the typed solution also. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next question.